Okay, you guys, welcome to my video. Okay, so I have come up with a new technique for drawing eyebrows, you guys. I was just drawing one day and I was just like, oh snap, this might be something, and it might not be. So hopefully this helps you guys, and I'm really sorry if it doesn't. But we are going to try it today, and I hope that it is of success for you guys. So, okay, let's go ahead and get started. So this is a technique that I came up with. So I realized, through my, practice of drawing that on the face, when you come over here to the side of the eye, it is kind of like this round area, right? And I know you guys remember from my older videos how I used to make that little peanut shape, kind of like that, right? So I'm starting out with my H pencil because we want to start out with something light, not too dark, something that we can erase later. So I know that there's like this round area over here between the eye and the eyebrow. So it's like a little tiny pocket of fat right here. And so I was just like, okay, cool. And then usually when there's an eyebrow, it kind of goes a little bit downward, right? And then it kind of goes like this. And then it goes to the other side, and then it ends up with that same little round area. And I was just like, oh snap, because like I can kind of see like a shape when the completed eyebrow is done, where it's like this little shape there. And I was just like, okay, that could be a cool way to teach you guys how to draw eyebrows, how to draw them fleeky eyebrows. And you can adjust this to however you'd like it to be. You can make it a little higher right here if you want a higher arch, and a little higher there for a higher arch, or however you'd like it. But I'm just basically teaching you how to draw the basic fleeky eyebrows today. So first thing that I'm going to do next is we're going to do the top part. So basically we're just gonna do the same thing we did, and then we're gonna basically make it parallel from each other, just like this. And now she's got this really big, amazing unibrow. Like, look at that unibrow, you guys. Like, isn't that incredible? But I just thought that this was super cool. Like, I was just like, okay, this could be like a cool new technique for drawing eyebrows. So that's the second step. And so the next step, of course, is blocking off the eyebrows. So boom, and then boom. And then, of course, you know what to do next. Just get your eraser and erase that middle part. Unless you like unibrows, you know what I'm saying? You can have a unibrow. There ain't nothing wrong with that. And then, boom, you got yourself some eyebrows. Oh, my gosh. Like, was that not easy or what? And then, of course, you would erase this side, too. And this is, like, my first time trying this out, like, fully. Because like I kind of imagined it in my head when I was drawing one day, and I was just like, okay, that would be a pretty dope technique. So that's how I do this new brow technique. So that's one way to do it. And then the next step that I would do, I'd probably go in with I guess I could take the same pencil and start making some brow hairs. So just do a nice little flick, because with my real eyebrows, I like to have like a gradient effect as well. So what we're just doing is we're just taking a nice little flick of the wrist and just making brow strands. Then you can get your darker pencil. And I like to, when I start getting darker, I like to start at the ends first, since that's where the darkness is gonna start. So I'm taking my 2B pencil. I'm gonna sharpen it because, we wanna keep these brows on fleek, right? So nice and sharp. And then we're gonna outline as we go. And then like to start filling it in. Eyebrows looking real fleeky. You should probably try and go in the same direction as you did right here, but since I like to kind of make it solid towards the ends, I don't really worry too much about that. And then I just gradually gradiate towards the center. And then you can also, sometimes I like to make little brow hairs like this, just to make it a little bit more realistic. And then boom, look at them brows on fleek, honey. Sorry if I scared you, if I got a little too loud there. But shoot, you can't blame me for getting excited about them fleeky brows, you know what I'm saying? Shoot, I draw the brows better than I put them on my face. My goodness. But yes, this is how I draw brows now. This is like a new brow technique. Let me know what you guys think. But before we go, I'm also going to show you guys this one technique that I learned from Gabrielle Bricky. Shout out to her. Love her art. So what she uses is a blending nub, right? And when she does her eyebrows, I guess if you have a little bit of graphite already on your blending, so I'm gonna get an older, oops, I dropped my scissors. I'm going to get an older blending stump that already has graphite on it, and I'm just gonna give an example on another page because I want this to be my profile picture. You know what I'm saying? I mean, not profile, but my my thumbnail. You know, so we can't mess that up. So what she does is she basically just kind of uses that leftover graphite that's on her blending nub, and she just basically draws in the brow like that, and then she'll go in with her pencil and then like make those brow hairs. So that's another way to do brows. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that little quick brow routine or brow tutorial technique. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you all think about this new brow technique, you guys. And oh my goodness, thank you guys so much for watching. I know I am not in this video this time. I'm not in the video. I'm not showing my face, but that's because my studio currently is cold right now. The ventilation is broken, so we're trying to get that fixed and everything. And I just can't wait to show y'all my studio, y'all, because it is on and popping, okay? Because I had to fix the feng shui up, but I'm gonna tell y'all that in another video. But anyways, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this little mini tutorial. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about this technique, if you guys liked it, if it was easy, or what you guys think about it. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Peace, love, and God bless my homies. So many great things are coming for us in the future. Like, God is amazing, God is great. Just keep on trusting in him and keep on going with the flow. You can do it. You can do anything that you set your mind to. So yeah, you guys, bless up, stay prayed up, and yeah, just keep on going with the flow. Hey, keep on going with the flow. Okay, you guys, I'll see you all next time. Bye.